This is gonna be your yoga push-up to a down dog. So I'm gonna start off here in that push-up position. For the push-up position, make sure the fingers are splayed nice and wide, right? If we think about ground surface contact, we wanna make sure that surface area is dispersed all across our hand. I wanna make sure the creases of my elbows are pointed upwards. That sets my shoulder in place. Notice how I did that. My wrist position didn't change. If anything, I wanna make sure that thumb is in contact with the ground. Corkscrew the shoulder to set the shoulders in place, and I want to minimize the elbows from flaring out. I don't want any chicken wings here. Now, it's going to be a standard push-up, so I'm going to initiate the push-up downwards. As I go down, I'm going to inhale to increase IAP and pressurization so I have a nice rigid torso. Now, I'm going to push up and exhale. Simultaneously, I'm going to push myself up into a down dog. So this is what it's going to look like. Set myself up in position, corkscrew the shoulders, give myself a little posterior pelvic tilt to lock everything in place. Now, as I descend down, I'm gonna inhale, nice and controlled. Then as I exhale, it's a push-up, and I'm basically thinking about pushing the ground away is the idea. So pushing up and away, kind of like you're jamming away is the idea. So I'm here, again, one more time. Set everything up in a good position, nice and long. Inhale on the way down. Nice and controlled, and I push away, right? I can bend my knees, I can walk the dog and pedal it out, right? If we're thinking about yoga terms, right? I'm starting off in that push-up, do a little chaturanga, and exhale into the down dog, nice and long, right? Pushing through the hands, feel the stretch into the lats, getting the hips nice and high with a nice long spine. Breathe it out, and then I can come back up into the push-up position, and then back down again. Inhale. And that's going to be your yoga push-up to a down dog.